We are rapidly heading into a new peak in the cryptocurrency market. Now, for the last few years, people have been writing off crypto, saying it's all gone, the hype's over, and it's never going to come back. Whereas crypto experts have always said that Bitcoin is very cyclical, and of course all the other cryptocurrencies follow suit. So if we go back over the full history of cryptocurrency, you can see we have these spikes, boom and bust, and they're pretty regular. And for a long time, they've still been saying Bitcoin is going to return, crypto will return, and it looks like we're going to see that surge very soon. And so far, no one's really talking about it, but I'm hearing the whispers, and I think people are starting to take notice. Now that we can see from beginning of October, Bitcoin has gone from $20,000 to, let's just change this to USD. So we can see since January this year, Bitcoin has gone from $17,000 right up to $42,000. And even just since beginning of October, from $25,000 to that $42,000. So it's nearly doubled in the space of just a few months. Now, obviously crypto is a fantastic niche for SEO because some of the affiliate commissions available are very good. And if you are a crypto company, then of course there are huge potential options there for you as well. Not forgetting, of course, you're not just selling, trading and investing in these cryptocurrencies, but there's also all the network and infrastructure around those, like wallets and security, things like that, plus coaching, consulting, and expertise. So as a market, don't just leave it at just the cryptocurrency. Remember, there's a whole infrastructure around that. And it's simply the size and rapid innovation of this niche which makes it very appealing to me for SEO. So for one thing, something I've wanted to do for a long time is the fact you've got all these new coins coming out all the time means there are loads of high volume searches out there that aren't very competitive, because these new coins coming out all the time, they might have some search volume, but it's not enough for big competitors to jump on every single offering. And of course, we match this with really good affiliate programs. So as an example, Binance, they will give you up to 50% commission on every qualified trade. And also these affiliate programs, they tend to be lifetime. So basically you refer a client and then consistently you will receive commission from the whole lifetime value of that client, which of course means if you refer a real baller who over time invests $500,000 in their crypto account and keeps trading it, then you're going to get a little cut of all those trading fees. I have a friend, really top SEO, who had a crypto site in the last crypto boom, and within about 6 months of launching his website, he was bringing in 6 figures per month through that website because he timed it just right as everything was exploding. So this is one way I like to be smart with SEO, where it's not just about selling products, it's about accessing markets, but using your unique advantage to your benefit. So you could invest in crypto and therefore get the natural upside there. Or if you're into SEO, you can use your influence to actually get a fractional ownership of a huge network of people's crypto investments. So rather than you simply investing in Bitcoin, if you can recommend products, accounts, platforms to an audience of thousands of crypto fans, then you're probably going to end up with a better return than you simply buying one token. And of course, there's the risk benefit there as well. And at the end of the day, a lot of the trading platforms, they'll actually pay your commission in crypto tokens as well. So that's a good way to actually get exposure to a crypto in the market without having to invest your own personal funds in that. Or if you don't want that risk, you can simply sell it and take out the cash straight away. Now, the cryptocurrencies themselves can still be very competitive. You really want to niche down, and ideally you want to find new niche products that don't have a lot of attention yet. But a lot of these still have affiliate programs. So this is a trading bot. If you click the link below, you'll find you can get an affiliate commission of 8% of all the deposits your referrals make. So if you have a link to this, if you're able to rank for this and get 10 people to sign up, each one pays in $100, you'll then get 8% of that $1,000, $80 for 10 referrals. And that's the lifetime commission. So every time, if they keep consistently paying in, then you'll consistently get that cut. So like I say, generally, I'm not too big on the big affiliate programs like Binance. I'm much more about the smaller niche products where you can rank for them and sell them very effectively. This is exactly what I did a few years ago with the rise of AI copywriting software, where I was promoting Jasper, Closers Copy, and a load of other products where I ranked #1 for about 6 months just because no one else was promoting them. These brands weren't even showing up in the Ahrefs keyword research. I simply knew there was volume there, ranked #1 for it, and I could see my actual search console was showing me I was getting a high volume of traffic. And of course my bank balance showed the same thing. I made $5,000 in a single month by doing, this is what's basically called launch jacking, where you basically rank #1 for a brand name that no one else actually knows about yet. So as soon as anyone hears about that brand, They Google it to find out more about it, they read your review, click your link, and you get the commission. So this could be a really good example for that. So click the link below to sign up for that affiliate program. Here's another example. Bitcoin IRA basically allows you to fund your retirement with Bitcoin, and they'll pay you up to $75 per referral. So again, think outside the box. Think of all these interesting products that surround crypto rather than just trying to rank for buy Bitcoin, Binance review, all of those keywords. You're much better off going after the underlying technologies, payment gateways, things like that. And that's what people say in the gambling niche as well, that obviously best online casino or best casino deals, really competitive, you're never going to rank for them. But often they'll be using custom payment gateways, there's all these technologies and other queries associated with online gambling that have got nothing to do with the core commercial terms, but they are still people who are ready to buy. Here's a site I found with just a little bit of keyword research. They've only got a DR of 5, and yet at their peak, they were getting around 3,000 visitors per month with a traffic value, so an equivalent cost of that traffic if you got it through Google Ads, of $2,000. That means it's highly commercial traffic where every click was worth about $1. So how did they do that? We can see if we really dig down. They were ranking for all these really niche product comparisons. So Exodus versus Phoenix, 150 searches a month. They were at position 4. This is a kind of wallet. We've got Elipal versus Ledger, Cosmos versus Ethereum. So all these comparisons between cryptos and comparisons between different crypto products. So just as a wallet's example, there's the brand Trezor.io. They'll pay you between their high quality crypto wallets. They cost between $70 and $200, and they'll pay you an affiliate commission of 15%. So you can basically go after all those wallets out there, target the reviews, the comparisons, price, all those different keywords for each individual wallet brand, and then simply send the traffic through to Trezor or a similar high-paying affiliate program. Similarly, I found a UK crypto site, DR of just 12, and they're ranking for 1,300 keywords, getting around 200 visitors per month. This is all post September's update, remember, where a lot of these affiliate sites have been hammered, and yet still they're ranking really well for live crypto prices UK, cryptocurrency price. And I mentioned that trading bot, get the link below to sign up for that affiliate program, get 8%, because for Bitcoin automated trading UK, 70 searches per month. This DR of 12 is at position 6. Down here, Trading Bots UK, 150 searches per month, $3 value per click, and they're at position 11. This is the site that's a DR of 12. So yes, buy Bitcoin, Binance reviews, all of those, totally saturated markets, you're never going to rank. But there's so many opportunities if you dig down to the finer level. I always like to refer back to the film War Dogs with Jonah Hill, where he talks about all the big defense contractors going after the big multi-million dollar contracts. And he says, this lot, they're all going after the pie. I just need the crumbs. Now, often the real make or break with a website is how easy it is to secure backlinks. Backlinks are essential, especially in a more competitive niche like crypto. Even if you can rank without links, then you're quickly going to find your competitors are going to be building links and overtaking you. So in my link building agency, we get a really good insight into the link market on the basis that we're reaching out to thousands of websites every week, really rigorously reviewing them for quality, working out which of those are the best ones that are actually going to move the needle for our clients. And therefore, we go into a lot of negotiation. Now, for certain niches like cannabis, supplements, finance, crypto, these so-called grey hat niches do tend to have more difficulties associated with link building. So in this case, you can see here's just one example. Not done the quality check on this one yet, so at the moment it seems pretty cheap. Only £99 for a guest post, but you can see they've really carefully broken down their prices for different niches. So for essay writing, it's then £149, and then for crypto, trading, loans, or gambling, it goes right up to £199. So for crypto, it's costing you double to do the same link building you would do for any other niche. Now, there are ways around it. This is only one prospect in my link building agency. We've had a lot of success with negotiating with lots of webmasters and therefore building those connections. And so we're able to get much better rates for those kinds of niches. So cannabis, crypto are still absolutely possible. It just takes more work. If you're doing this on your own, then for a start, you might have found that one site is linked to your competitor. You go through all the effort to reach out to them, and then they come back saying, sorry, we don't do crypto anymore. So not only have you wasted your time, but you also found your competitor has got a link that you just can't get anymore. Loads of websites will get back to you and just outright reject you, and loads of those will have a higher fee. Whereas in our case, we've already got a pretty good idea of which of the websites we really want to work with if it's a grey hat niche like adult, casino, cannabis, things like that. But this can also be an advantage to you because these types of links are more valuable. Then this is your big hedge against risk. So assuming if you built this website over the next 6 months, anticipating some sort of crypto boom, but you might find you never actually sell the products, you never sign someone up to a trading bot. You never sell a crypto wallet or a Bitcoin IRA. What other options do you have? You've still got banner ads, and this is a kind of niche where the CPCs tend to be quite high, so you can actually make money with banner ads. But you also have the option of selling links. And as you can see, the links are much more valuable. So this could actually be a perfectly valid business model where if everything else fails, you can get other webmasters reaching out to you asking to buy links on your site, and you can decide your price. So that's just a nice little benefit, nice bit of diversification where if plan A doesn't work out, that's a nice plan B. Otherwise, obviously, crypto is full of shady tactics, pyramid schemes, and there's all kinds of things that can go wrong. So obviously, make sure you do your due diligence. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto at all, just with most finance as well. So do your research, be careful. I wouldn't say it's my favorite niche in the world by any means, but it does look like we're going to see massive volumes on this in the near future. From all the keyword research and affiliate commissions I've shown you, I wouldn't say there are any no-brainers there. I would say as a sort of opportunity score, it's probably quite low because we've still got a high level of competition. The commissions are good, but not great. And a lot of the volumes, especially for the lower competition terms, do tend to be lower. But what we've got to bear in mind is it's very likely that within the next few months, we could see a 10x or even 100x in the overall search volumes, the overall market for crypto. So if you can position yourself at the right time to be in the right place, i.e. the top of Google, then potentially there are huge benefits there. Absolutely impossible to predict. Be very careful if you do decide to go down that route. But all the keyword research we're doing right now in this tutorial is all based on right now and long-term historical trends. Whereas what we could see within the next few months is an unprecedented historical event where we see a massive spike in demand in this niche. And you could simply bank all that and never have to touch that website again. That's what happened to my friend, timed it right, built a website. They invested aggressively in that website. They were spending about 50 grand a month on content and links to actually build that site. But the result was 6 figures per month within 6 months of launching that website. So no guarantees, be very careful with your risk. But I think the crypto market is primed to explode in the next few months. That's just my personal view.